Hello everyone, good afternoon. Today we are going to have cooking class. Today we are going to make homemade hot chocolate. Yeah! So everybody, let's make homemade hot chocolate. Good job, good job. Okay, so first let me explain. This on the screen, this on the PowerPoint, this is instant hot chocolate. This is what you buy in stores. We are not making this today. We're not making this. Instead, we are making homemade hot chocolate. So after today, you will know how to make homemade hot chocolate. You can say to your mom and dad, I can make hot chocolate at home for everyone. And this is a good drink to have during the winter time. Okay, so first, let's look at the ingredients. Let's say this big word together. Everybody, ingredients. Ingredients, ingredients, ingredients. Good job. Okay, so we're gonna need milk, cocoa powder, water, sugar, whipped cream, and a chocolate bar. One more time, let's say it together. Everybody, 1, 2, 3. Milk, cocoa powder, water, sugar, whipped cream, and a chocolate bar. Good job. Okay, now let's look at the materials. Let's say that together. Everybody, materials. Materials, materials, materials. Okay, so we're gonna need a microwave, cups, spoons, bowls, and a grater. Okay, let's say that one more time, everybody. A microwave, cups, spoons, bowls, and a grater. Good job. Okay, now let's look at the directions. So everybody, directions. Directions, directions, directions. Okay, first, please write your name on your cup so you know which cup is yours. Okay, so take one big spoonful of cocoa powder and put it into your bowl. Let's say that together, everybody. 1, 2, 3. Put one big spoonful of cocoa powder into your bowl. Good job. It will look like this. You can see on the screen what it will look like. Okay, now pour a little water into your bowl. Let's say that. 1, 2, 3. Pour a little water into your bowl. How much water? Well, you have to decide. If you pour in too much water, that's okay. You can add more cocoa powder. Don't worry, it will be fine. It will look like this. So this is what the water and cocoa powder will look like. Next, stir the cocoa powder and water together. 1, 2, 3. Stir the cocoa powder and water together. It will look like this. It's like a chocolate sauce. It's time to add sugar. Everybody, 1, 2, 3. It's time to add sugar. Good job. Okay, so put about 5 spoonfuls of sugar to the bowl. 1, 2, 3. Put about 5 spoonfuls of sugar to the bowl. Stir the sugar into the cocoa powder. 1, 2, 3. Stir the sugar into the cocoa powder. Good job. Now, taste the chocolate to see if it's sweet enough. 1, 2, 3. Taste the chocolate to see if it's sweet enough. So taste it and see if it's sweet because the cocoa powder is very, very bitter. So you need to add the sugar to make it more sweet. Okay, using a new spoon, put 1 to 2 spoonfuls of chocolate sauce into your bowl. 1, 2, 3. Using a new spoon, put 1 to 2 spoonfuls of chocolate sauce into your cup. The bottom of your cup will look like this. So the chocolate sauce will be there at the bottom. Good. Okay. Pour the milk into your cup. Let's say that together. 1, 2, 3. Pour the milk into your cup. Good job. Next, stir the milk and chocolate sauce together. 1, 2, 3. Stir the milk and chocolate sauce together, like this. Okay, next. Put your cup in the microwave. 1, 2, 3. Put your cup in the microwave. At home, use a mug for the microwave because a mug is safe for the microwave. Okay. Heat the cup for 1 minute and 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Heat the cup for 1 minute and 30 seconds. How long? 1 minute and 30 seconds. How long? 1 minute and 30 seconds. Good job. Okay. All right. Now, spray a little whipped cream on top of the chocolate. Okay, like this. So spray a little whipped cream on top. Good job. Next, shave the chocolate bar into small pieces over the grater like this. So take the chocolate bar and grate it, shave it into small little pieces like this. You can also use the peeler to make toppings for the chocolate. So you can use peeler or you can use a grater. Put the shaved chocolate pieces on top of the whipped cream like this. So take the chocolate pieces and put it on top of the whipped cream like this. Good job. Finally, enjoy your delicious hot chocolate. Everybody, 1, 2, 3. Enjoy your delicious hot chocolate. Okay, so are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, everybody, let's make hot chocolate. Good job.